I understand what you're doing. We got it better. This is happening right now, live on the live stream. The rule that we don't like. Now let's try and get rid of the glare a little bit. Look at that. They're fishing for drones right behind what I call the flycatcher right there. Magnets on poles. This is. They're using a fishing net. The magnets weren't working. They're fishing for drones. All right. Let's race for a championship. $22,500 US on the line. That'll be divvied up with our top 8 at the end of this competition. This is heat number 1 of the preliminary brackets. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5.
开始。
Off to those races we go. Holy guy, 1, 2, 3, 4. Highest seed in this race is BMS Thomas, qualifying number 3 spot overall. We just lost seat number 3.
SiYun